The old system that we used to use was basically just a whiteboard, which could be quite difficult to read. It wasn't often kept up to date, so from the point of view of the pharmacist, we didn't really know if it was accurate or not, and it was obviously difficult to know each ward's system, because a lot of pharmacists will be on different wards, and if you didn't know the ward well, then you wouldn't know their system of writing things down. Just general lack of communication between the pharmacy team and the nursing staff, really. We wouldn't know if the patient was due to go home that day, for example, so it's difficult for us to anticipate getting their medicines ready if we're not sure if they're going home or not. Also, you know, for infection control risks as well, it wasn't very clear whether the patients were kind of under infection control, and if they are, we're not really supposed to go and visit them. And the open ward system allows me to actually sit in my office and I can have a look at the board before I actually come up to the ward. So it gives me kind of almost time to plan what I'm doing before I get up here. So the actual time frame of actually trying to decipher the old system is a lot quicker. I work on the cardiology ward, which is really high turnover, so we'll have new patients and patients going home very rapidly that day. So we'll be looking to see if it says home today. If they are, then that means we can get their medicines ready first thing in the morning. The other way we use it is if the pharmacy dispensary have to get any of the medicines ready, that means that they can log in to any ward in the hospital and they can actually log whether the TTO has been sent to the dispensary or not, which is really useful. We're just a lot more efficient in getting things done. It's a lot easier to use. We've obviously got one system that is the same across the hospital, so we know exactly what we're doing on each ward. That it's clear and easy to read, whereas the old system, it would be difficult to read and wasn't kept up to date. It feels quicker because we can anticipate when people are going home more easily because it's documented on the open ward, and then we can get things ready and rolling first thing in the morning. One of the things we did from pharmacy is we've got a drop-down box which allows us to enter whether a patient's got a Medidose system or not.